Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you what it'll be like in our course. So first it's set up into modules, and it's technically 5 weeks long because we're going to start on September 2nd and after Labor Day. And then you'll notice it goes through module 1's the next week, module 2, module 3, module 4. So the last thing we'll finish up on October 5th. So we're going to be learning about the Westward expansion for this distance course. And I just wanted to show you a little bit about how to get started. So there's a to-do list that you can quickly see on your home page, some things that are due for the week. So like this week it is not graded, but there is a pretest due by September 7th. And everything is going to be due on that Sunday night by 8 p.m. So you can actually click on it and it'll take you to the pretest if you wanted to go ahead and do it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and click home again because this is where you will see all of your things. And I want you to click on how do I get started first. So when you go to this page, you'll see how to get started. I'm going to let you read it, or you can read it with your parents. And the biggest thing is for you to know that we're going to meet every Monday, not this Monday. This is your get to know the course, familiarize yourself with it so you can ask us questions. We're going to meet every Monday. You'll see it in the schedule. And then we also have office hours on Monday and Wednesdays that you can schedule with us. And then if those don't even work, always email us and we can schedule a time to work with you. So of course I want you to view the syllabus first. Again, I'm not going to read it to you. What I have done is you can scroll through the syllabus, and I'm just going to quickly go to the course schedule. And this is going to be your friend. These are all the due dates. But back at the top, I do want to show you, if you want to print this out, you can print it from this page or click on this PDF, and it should open where you can download it and print it on your computer. If your computer is different than mine and it doesn't work this way, please do not hesitate to email us. Another thing that I told you about is office hours are Mondays 10 to 11. We will have a Zoom every Monday and every Wednesday, 3 to 4. And you just hop on and you can ask us questions. Okay? We will also meet live every Monday at 9 a.m. for just 1 hour. And we will go through what you should do for the week. And then it'll be a time where you can ask questions. Okay? And if we ever feel like you are having problems with something and you need extra feedback, we will be contacting you to have a separate meeting. All right, I'm going to go back home really quick. So the first thing is you go to Teacher Introduction, and you will be able to see a little bit all about us. And of course, it gives us our emails. I am Miss Marsh, that's who's talking. And Miss Quirk is also an instructor in this course that will be able to help you. You can also click the next and previous buttons to navigate. And so this is what we're going to be learning. I'll let you read it on your own. These are going to be all of our learning objectives for the whole course. And this is going to be your first discussion. So discussions are going to be a big part of our class where you have to post a discussion. You're going to post, we're going to meet each other, meet our classmates. You're only going to have to write a 4 to 5 sentence paragraph. I tell you exactly what to include, your name, what you hope to learn, and watch. You're just going to click reply. This is where you'll type your answer, and then you click the blue reply button, and it will reply. Once you do that, then you will hit the reply button to reply to your classmates. So let me go back here. I'm just going to press the back button. So in your instructions, it says that you will need to respond to at least one classmate, but you can do as many as you want. Maybe someone has something in common with you, or you have a question for someone. Have fun with it. It's just to get to learn what your discussions are about. This is not graded. And the last thing I want you to do for this week is to be sure you do a pre-test. It says no need to fear. This is not graded. This is just to let us know how well you do. So you'll click take the quiz and you will take the quiz. So if you have any questions before we get started, please be sure to email us. It is in the teacher introductions. It is in the syllabus. That is the best way to contact us. And then next week, we will meet on Monday, September 8th, to begin Module 1. Thank you.